So I have this Seaswirl 170 with a Volvo Penta 3.0 motor. I replaced the knee because it was taking in water through it, found out that there was no compression on cylinder 1. And I found out that it was the valve, as you can see here. The oil is all mushy, I'm going to replace that later, I know. So I'm going to replace it with this new one. Before I can do that, we had to get the valve locking mechanisms off. I did that by just hammering down with the tool, and it went off. But to get the valve spring down and on again, I had to make this tool that could go in and push down on the spring. So I used something to hold it up against, and then I could push down. I had to adjust it all the way down, and then I could push it down and put in the locking mechanisms. But these locking mechanisms have to go down and lock in place down in the valve, down on the top of the valve. So now you can see it's in place and I can release, and the spring is where it should be. Then I just had to put on the adjusting mechanism again, and I had to screw it all the way down until it was, yeah, a little bit loose, but not all the way. And then I can adjust the valves afterwards when I get the motor started. So as you can see here, the motor is working, and I'm gonna replace the oil now. I hope this video was helpful.